Here we have SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. Mina can do a job in 2 hours and Ruth can do the same job in 4 hours. If they work together, how long will it take them to do the job? Okay, here before we start working on this problem, let's understand a concept. Let's say your work is completed in X hours. Okay, if your work is completed in X hours, then what is the amount of work completed in just 1 hour? So to know the amount of work completed in 1 hour, we have to take reciprocal of this time x, then I'm getting 1 over x. So this 1 over x represents the amount of work completed in just 1 hour. Okay, now let's think about this in reverse. Here we know that this 1 over x represents the amount of work done in 1 hour. Okay, from the amount of work done in 1 hour, if I want to find the time taken to complete the work, what I have to do is I have to take reciprocal for this one. When I take reciprocal for this 1 over x, that is x. That is, it will take x hours to complete the work. Okay, now we can apply the same logic in our problem. Okay, now let me write the stuff over here. That is Mina. Now I'm going to find the amount of work done by Mina in 1 hour. Okay, it is given that Mina can do a job in 2 hours. Now to find the amount of work done by Mina in 1 hour, I have to take reciprocal of this time 2, then I'm getting 1 over 2. But the same thing we can do for Ruth. Okay, let me write the stuff over here. That is, I'm going to find the amount of work done by Ruth in 1 hour. For that, we have to take reciprocal for this 4, then I'm getting 1/4. Okay, here I got the amount of work done by Mina in 1 hour, that is 1 over 2. And also the amount of work done by Ruth, that is 1 over 4. Now let me add these two quantities, 1 over 2 and 1 over 4. Okay, here this expression represents the amount of work done by both Mina and Ruth when they work together. Okay, now let's add these two fractions. Here these two fractions have different denominators. So 2 and 4, the least common multiple of these two denominators, 2 and 4, is 4. Already we have 4 over here. Now we have to make this denominator 4. For that, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator of the first fraction by 2. When I do so, I'm getting 2 over 4, positive 1 over 4. Now we can take 4 as a common denominator and we have to add the numerators, then we get 3/4. Okay, here this 3/4 represents the amount of work done in 1 hour by both Mina and Ruth. Okay, if I want to find the time taken to do the job, if they work together, what I have to do is I have to take reciprocal for this one. When I take reciprocal for 3/4, I am getting 4 over 3. That is 4 over 3 hours. So if they work together, it will take 4 over 3 hours to do the job. But when I go over the answer choices, in each answer choice, I have the time in minutes. So I have to convert this hours to minutes. For that, we have to multiply this quantity by 60. So whenever I want to convert hours to minutes, I have to multiply the quantity by 60. Then it will become minutes. Okay, here 3 goes into 3 one times and 3 goes into 60 20 times. 4 times 20 is 80. That is 80 minutes. Let me write the stuff over here. Okay, if Mina and Ruth work together, it will take 80 minutes to do the job, and we find this 80 in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C, 80 minutes.